Hey guys, today I'm gonna be playing I Am Cat. I'm a cat. Oh, pick this game and let's see what we need. Wait, I'm fine. Wait, I'm fine right here. Climb to the top shelf of the refrigerator. Up there? Why up there? Oh no! Ooh, I did it! I did it. Ball game. Where's that basketball? Huh? It's the basketball. Hello, little robot. Wake up. You. Wait. No, don't follow me. Why you Get the frick out. Get out. Oh no. Dang it. Dang it. I dropped him. I dropped him. Ha! Ah! I dropped him. Okay. Ah! No! Where'd he go? What? What the? I think I glitched him. I think he went inside the water, and now I think the graphic is on. Oh well. Time to collect some mice. Give it. Get in. Get in, you blue mouse. Oh yeah, come here, you red one. Come here, yellow. No, it's so close. I need one more. Okay, let's try again. Here. Come here, yellow. You're not getting away this time. Oh, I got two. Looks like you got stuck. There's the red. Ha. Where's the red? Oh my god. It's right there. Come on. No. Go. Yeah. Oh, 3 seconds. One. Yes, I did it. On second. Alright. Now for whack-a-mole. I could have sworn I just hit the first one. That. Take this. Oh my god, it's getting quicker. Oh. Already 6-point score. Is this a coin? She doesn't get mad for that? Okay. I forgot the password. Where's the password? Shoot. Oh no. Shoot. Is it upstairs? I actually forgot. I haven't played this in a while. Huh? I am security. Oh yeah, I have it. Where is it at? I think it's here somewhere. Oh wait, here's the thing. Yeet. 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 Oh. Huh. Ah. Oh well. Huh. Woohoo. Time for this USB. Yeah. Wow. Hey. This is go. No. No. Oh, I think that's where it's. Where's the go? Oh, shoot. Shoot. Ah, no, 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 no. Get back down. It's supposed to. No, stop putting it in your mouth. You see, it's supposed to go. Stop it. No. No. I don't even know what this does. That wasn't me. Yeah. You can't get up here. What? Thanks, Ratty. How in the world? Oh, look, the robot's stuck. No, go inside. Alright, and goodbye. Bit. Ha. Now, I just need. Ooh, that dunk. Hey. No! No, the basketball. Oh, wait. Ah. Yes, got one score. Yeah. Did it? You scored 2 points. Play a melody on the piano. Go. Play a melody. F. A. And then F. Oh! It made my song. What I do? Got the highest points. Ah, I think the highest point is right here. Yeah, it is. Whoa, this is so cool. Break something. What are you wanting to break? Break 10 pots. Faces or statues. Oh, I bet, bro. I bet. Oh, I know what to put down. Grandma's trophy. Okay, how did that one? Not today. Ah, no, she knocked me out. I hit her. I hit her now. She knocked me out. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Ugh. Yeah. Can I at this stage? Oh. Oh, she ain't here. Oh, beer buddies. Wait, but where's my other arm? What the heck? Wait, where is it? Where am I? Let me see. Dude, it's not there. Is it invisible or what? Oh well. Ugh. Oh, come on. Oh. Give me this food. Give me the food. Oh, fine. What is it? Is it not gonna give me the food? Well, anyway, that's it, guys, for the video because it's not letting me eat this food. It's not picking me. It's not letting me pick it up either. So, see you next time. Bye.